Okay, quiet. Shh. Come here, mi amore. I find you so beautiful. I just want to kiss you.
No, I don't want. I don't want, I say. I don't know you. And plus you're a bird. You're not a dog.
Who cares? Who cares if I'm a bird? Come here, mi amore. My name is Smarties, but they call me Casanova. How you doing, baby? Come over here. Come here.
No, I don't want. I don't know you.
Oh, come here, baby. I want to kiss you. Why are you being so difficult? Stop making me go around. Come back here, baby Mia. Come here.
No, I said. No, I don't want. What are you doing?
Oh, nothing, baby. I was just preparing my lips to kiss you. Oh, baby Mia, come over here.
No, I said. No, I don't want. I said, come over here, you little chicken mama. I want you now. Hey, let me fix my feathers for you. No.
Listen, chicken mama, you better get your butt over here because now I'm getting mad.
No, I said, I don't want.
Come here, I said. Come here, I want to kiss you.
Stop.
Shh, shh, shh. Quiet.
I said, I don't want. Just leave me alone. Don't try to do any funny business on me, young man. Okay? No, I'm not easy, okay?
Oh, they kissed.
Oh, you know I'm not an easy girl to get, okay? I have values, okay?
I don't care about your values. Get your butt over here. I want to kiss you.
Daddy, enough.
Come on back over here. I show you values. Oh, mi amore. Oh, yeah, baby. We kiss you right now. Oh, yeah. Come over here now.
No, I don't want, I said.
Okay, I'll fix my feathers. Maybe if I look beautiful, more beautiful, maybe then you're going to kiss me? Okay, now I'm more beautiful now. Okay, let me fix my feathers a little more.
Oh, and you start to look beautiful. But still, I don't want.
Okay, that's it. Now I'm mad. Now I'm going to run after you.
If he bites her, she's gonna go running.
Oh, wait a moment. That's my clothes. Get her off my clothes.